Len Prazych, Board Converting News, here in Cleveland, Ohio at CorrExpo 2023 as the ice crashes in the background. The party is not being crashed, however. We've got a great show, and we have Matt Condon, Business Development Manager at Domino, here with us. So welcome to the show. How are things today? What kind of traffic are you getting? How many printers have you sold?
We sold millions of printers. Traffic's actually been really good. So we've had a lot of good people come to the booth. I think, digital's a bit new still to the industry, so there's been a lot of good people inquiring it, but we're really seeing some really good people come in, and I think digital's really going to be something that is really going to start to expand in the next, half year. So it's going good.
Absolutely. Can you just give us a little background? We don't need all the stats, but what are the couple of the features that seem to be most appealing to corrugator manufacturers?
Well, with the Domino X630i, one of the things is resolution, so it's 600 by 600 DPI. The other interesting part about it, it's a compact machine, so the printer itself from feeder all the way to the exit is 38 feet. If you put the overprint varnish and the stacker on that, it's about 70 feet, so it's nice and small. Environmentally closed on the inside, so we fully control that environment, so you can really place it anywhere within a factory. So that's really nice as well. So again, I think we got a very effective cost per MSF from ink, and we got some very nice lean power usage on it as well. So nice
Excellent.
things to have.
You should have no problem selling machines. But also like to mention your partnership with Sun Automation.
Yes, that's
right across the floor.
Yeah, that's very interesting. One of the things on the press itself, it does have a Sun lead edge feeder on it, so it's a servo-driven lead edge feeder. So nice feeder. Sun is a fantastic partner of ours. They do assembly work. So Sun, great people and a great partnership for both of us. It's been fantastic.
And you got a great team. So good luck with the rest of the show. Thank you for your support, Board Converting News.
Well, thank you very much.
You're the best.
Appreciate it.
Machines.